Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to remove the VW Golf Mk6 front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands or a lift. Then, remove the front wheels to gain clear access to the bumper's mounting points. You'll find several torque screws within each wheel arch that need to be carefully unscrewed before proceeding to the next steps. Next, move to the underside of the car. You'll need to remove the fasteners securing the splash guard to the bumper. After that, open the hood and locate the screws along the top edge of the grille. Once these are out, carefully pull the grille forward to unclip it from its mounting points, setting it aside safely. Before fully detaching the bumper, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or other sensors. With all screws and clips released, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. It's highly recommended to have a second person help support the bumper as you pull it free to prevent any damage or scratches to your paintwork. Reinstalling the bumper is essentially the reverse process. Make sure all clips align and engage properly, and secure every screw and fastener you removed. Always double-check your work to ensure everything is tight and secure before driving. And speaking of securing your future, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.